The Honda Pilot keyless start system problem has become increasingly common, especially in models from 2016 to 2025. Understanding this issue starts with recognizing the symptoms and knowing what components are involved. These problems typically show up as specific error messages on your dashboard. The most common ones include keyless start system problem, key not detected, and press brake and push start button. To understand these problems, we need to look at the key components that make up the keyless start system. The system consists of 5 main parts working together. The smart key fob contains RFID chips and proximity sensors. The push-button start communicates with the body control module, while the immobilizer validates key authentication. Antenna arrays throughout the cabin detect the key's presence. Here's how these components work together in the system. The transponder key system shows the communication flow between the key, amplifier, and control units. The body control module is the central hub that connects to multiple vehicle systems. It processes signals from the key fob and coordinates with other control units throughout the vehicle. Now let's examine what causes these keyless start problems. Research shows 5 main causes, each with different likelihood percentages. Key fob battery issues account for 40% of all cases, making it the most common cause. BCM software corruption follows at 25%, then immobilizer malfunctions at 20%. Antenna failures and environmental interference make up the remaining 15%. Cold weather significantly worsens these problems. Failure rates increase by 60% when temperatures drop below 20 degrees Fahrenheit, making winter months particularly challenging for Honda Pilot owners. To prevent interference issues, keep your key fob away from other electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and wireless chargers. Electronic interference can disrupt the communication between your key and the vehicle's systems. The most common cause of keyless start problems is a dead key fob battery. Start by replacing the CR2032 battery in your key fob. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, try this basic reset procedure. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed, press the brake pedal firmly, then hold the start button for 10 seconds. For persistent issues, try an advanced reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This allows the system to fully reset. The key fob relearn procedure involves turning the ignition to on without starting, pressing the lock button on your fob, turning ignition off, and repeating this sequence 3 times within 10 seconds. If these steps don't resolve the issue, professional intervention may be required. This includes BCM reprogramming or immobilizer key registration, which typically requires a Honda dealer visit. Regular maintenance can prevent many keyless start issues. Test your key fob battery monthly, keep up with software updates, and protect your key fob from extreme temperatures.